Hey guys, I'm Irfan and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can revert to stock ROM from your custom ROM. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the website on SAM Mobile and you need to download the latest software, the latest firmware of your device. So my device is Galaxy J7 SMJ700F and let's search the firmwares of the device. And now here you can see in India the device is last updated on 2017-10-22, so it's almost 22nd October 2017 and I have already downloaded this, and the link to download the softwares are given in the description. Now what you have to do, you have to go into the Odin folder. You know what's Odin, right? So go in the Odin and if your firmware was in the zip file, so just extract it and open the Odin, and here click on AP and select that extracted firmware and click on open. Now till this loads we have to go in our phone, so let's go to our phone until it loads. So here on our phone we have to go first into the recovery mode. To go into the recovery mode you have to press volume up button, power button and the home button simultaneously. So let's go into the recovery mode. After going into the recovery mode you have to do a complete wipe. So go to wipe, advanced wipe, and you have to select Dalvik cache, data and system files to ensure that features of your custom ROM should be removed fully and you are stable for installing your stock ROM. Okay, so once doing this, just reboot your phone into the download mode. To go into the download mode you have to do a volume down button, power button and the home button simultaneously, and once you go into the download mode press the volume up key to continue. And connect it with USB to your computer. Okay, now on your PC you will see here has been written added. So once it has been added once it has been added, just click on start to start the process. And if the added is not written, then you must install the latest drivers of your phone, and once it has been started you can see the process on your phone too. After the process has been completed, So after the process completes, you have to reboot your phone normally, and it might take 10 to 15 minutes on the first boot. And after the boot up, you can set it up and you can see the latest Marshmallow has been installed on your device, which is the stock ROM. You can see the system settings and it will say the official stock ROM. Okay, so hope this video will help you guys. If this video helps you, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.